Well, hello there. I'm excited to share with you one way that you can winterize your skin this winter time. So, as the seasons change, so do the needs of our skin. And you most likely find in the wintertime that your skin just gets a little bit on the dry side. So, who can agree that that usually happens to you, especially when it gets nice and crisp and cold and the air feels really great, but everything feels really, really dry? So, my name is Margaret. I'm going to jump in here and share with you one product that I absolutely love that I'm going to feature today because I think it's going to help you this winter. So, how many of you can go ahead and comment in the comments below here. How many of you have tried sheet masks? I bet you have probably tried one. Well, this one is super fun. I love that it's actually like fun to apply. And you'll see that in just a second. And also, it just feels like a drink of water for your skin. And so I am going to share with you my screen just to show a short, quick video on how to apply this fabulous sheet mask. So here we go.
Are you ready? Ready to watch? Here I go. I got your hands clapping, I got you watching this. Give me a clap. You ain't seen nothing quite like this. Ready to rock it, move it, show it off. This is how we do it. Give me your praise. Oh yeah. Give me your praise. Oh yeah. Throw your hands up, give me those accolades, and give me your praise. Give me your. Y'all ready for the best you've ever seen?
Okay, wasn't that fun? All right, so we got to see that hydrating sheet mask in action. And so I love this. The main reason I really love it is the fact that it has all of this gel essence on the side. This is in this little section here is all the gel essence that is going to hydrate your skin, and it's going to feel amazing. And so when you actually go to use this mask, then you are going to get the freshest amount of ingredients onto the sheet mask. Okay. So this sheet mask in here is actually dry at the moment. But when you go to apply this, you are going to get the water over here, the gel into the mask, and then you're going to massage it in there. And then as you saw, it just will feel absolutely amazing. And I want to encourage self-care too. So you want to make sure that you give yourself that kind of pampering me time as well, especially in the wintertime. So anyhow, these skin conditioning ingredients are going to increase the moisture level in your skin, and you are going to feel amazing, and it's going to feel super, super hydrating for your skin. And I just know that you are absolutely going to love it. So I'm excited about this sheet mask. I want to know how many of you have actually tried sheet masks. So comment below if you have tried a sheet mask and tell me why you love them. I know they are absolutely all the rage, and it's super fun. And also too, this particular sheet mask I wanted to feature and share it with you because it focuses on hydration and winterizing your skin. You really want to focus on the changes in your skin and what your skin really needs. And I bet you're going to feel that dryness happen sooner than later, especially this winter time. So have these ready for yourself so that you can just go to town and, you know, a couple times a week, if you want to, at least go ahead and give yourself that pampering time. It'll feel absolutely amazing. And then last but not least, for those ladies who are like, yep, I need hydration like all year round, not just in the wintertime. And you know what? I wouldn't mind if there was a little anti-aging benefit in my sheet mask as well. Well, ta-da, this is your new best friend. This is our biocellulose lifting sheet mask. Okay. So this one actually has anti-aging ingredients in it. And the plant-based sheet mask here, the plant base is actually the cellulose, and that biocellulose is actually infused with coconut water, and it feels amazing on the skin. So this is like the ultimate pampering sheet mask. So this one will lift and soften and smooth your skin out amazingly, in addition to giving it the hydration that it needs. So if you need a little bit extra boost, then I recommend this sheet mask. Otherwise, have these on hand. This is the two-step hydrating sheet mask, and this one is the biocellulose lifting mask, and I absolutely love them. I use them both. This one is really my favorite, but this one for sure, if you just need a drink of water for your skin, then you're going to want to use this sheet mask over here. So anyhow, that was my beauty tip for you today. Just wanted to remind you how important it is to stay hydrated during those winter months, and that you are going to see some changes with your skin getting drier, and you need to change up your skincare a little bit, so you're going to have to make some adjustments, maybe a little bit more of a hydrating type of moisturizer for yourself. And the other tip I want to share with you today is to make sure that you continue to exfoliate your skin, especially in the wintertime. When you do exfoliate that skin with a physical exfoliator like a microdermabrasion or the facial peel, then when you apply your hydrating sheet mask or your lifting biocellulose mask, those yummy ingredients that are in there are going to penetrate the skin better and be just more effective for your skin. So do your skin a favor, make sure to exfoliate as well, so that all of those yummy nutrients can really penetrate into those cells and do the work that they're intended to do. And then make sure that you stay hydrated, not just hydrated with our skin care products, right? But stay hydrated as well by drinking lots of water this winter too. So anyway, that's my tip for you today, you guys. I will see you next time.